Neuron Spectrum NET software contains a lot of different tools for navigation and reviewing EEG examinations. For example, you can use mouse wheel to move EEG traces forward or backward. Also, you can use left arrow key and the right arrow key of your keyboard to move EEG traces second by second. You can use page up and page down keys of your keyboard to move EEG traces page by page. You can use end key to go to the end of the examination, and you can use home key to go to the beginning of the examination. Using plus and minus key of your keyboard, you can change scales of the traces. Using multiply and divide keys, you can change sweep speed. Also, during reviewing, you can select different montages. Under EEG traces, you can see the navigator. In navigator window, you can see whole EEG examination in one screen. You can use navigator window to move through EEG. Using navigator, you can go to selected time with only one mouse click. Also, you can use the special toolbar for navigation and reviewing. Using buttons of this toolbar, you can go to the end of the examination or to the beginning. You can move through EEG page by page, forward or backward, second by second. Or you can use automatical mode. Using your mouse wheel, you can change speed of automatical moving. Slow and faster. Also, you can change speed with mouse click in bottom part of EEG traces. Right part faster, left part slow. Also, you can use automatical move page by page. To stop automatical move, just click left mouse button under EEG traces. Also, during reviewing, you can set event markers. You can move it, rename or delete. With your left mouse button, you can select EEG fragments. You can make short selection or long selection. Also, you can use your navigator to make a selection. Using context menu of the selected block, you can make some operations with the selection. For example, you can print the selection or preview before printing. You can save selected fragment to the file, one of the available format. You can copy it to the report, or you can identify fragment as analysis epoch, as artifact, as functional test or epileptiform activity, and so on. You can add your own visual phenomena using this window. Also, you can keep this EEG fragment in the examination or delete it. You can export selection to the EDF format, to BrainLog software or to Loretta, and you can play back selected EEG as sound. During reviewing, you can use as recorded mode. In this mode, you can review EEG as it was recorded. Also, you can use wave measurement mode. In this mode, you can select it, the part of the EEG trace, and the program will calculate time, frequency, and amplitude of the selection. Also, you can use zoom tool. Press and hold Ctrl and Alt buttons of your keyboard and move your mouse. Using mouse wheel, you can change zoom scale. Using view menu item, you can change visibility of some elements. For example, exam inspector window. Here you can see the structure of your examination. For example, all visible derivations of your current montage, impedance measurements, artifacts, other visual phenomena, event markers, results of analysis, and so on. Using extra EEG window, you can review the same EEG but with other montages, scales, and sweep speed. In current montage window, you can see the structure of your current montage. Here you can select any other montage. All elements which you can see on the screen is your working table. Default settings of the program already contains several work tables and you can use them. For example, work table amplitude analysis contains a rhythm amplitude window with table, maps, and histograms. Also, you can see amplitude panel and momental amplitude marker. Also, you can see that now toolbar buttons are small in this working table. In spectral analysis work table, you can see spectrographs window. and also small toolbar buttons. In EEG view work table, you can see big toolbar buttons. You also can create your own work tables. You can change the visibility of elements, change size of toolbar buttons, change visibility of windows, and then you can save your work table. And then you will be able to use it. Now exam reviewing is over.